Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. I'm going to be here with Commsprepper. He doesn't like to show his face on the camera, so he's going to be doing the audio. He's going to be sitting beside me in his truck, and we're going to be talking about some communication for ham radio, some amateur radio stuff. Man, he's a great guy. Go check out his channel. So one of the problems with the small handheld radios is the range. They don't have a very long range. So even as first responders, this is an issue because trying to communicate longer distances can be very difficult. So he's got a cool method here how we can hit a repeater using the handheld that's going to go up and hit the repeater. So if we're not in an area that doesn't have its own repeater, you can go up and hit another one. So Commsprepper is going to walk us through this.
Hello YouTube preppers, this is the Commsprepper, and I'd first like to say thanks to SkinnyMedic for taking the time out here at PrepCon 5 in Chantilly, Virginia to shoot a video for me. He's going to post this on his channel, but I'm pleased to have this opportunity to work with him for the first time and have an opportunity to meet him. For those of you who follow my channel, you know I recently installed an ICOM ID5100 Alpha D-Star mobile radio here in the Nissan pickup truck that I just got. And in those videos I showed you how to use the digital mode, the DV mode, and today we're going to show you how to set this radio up for what they call cross-band repeat. Now this radio essentially has two variable frequency oscillators, or VFOs. You can see here it says A and B, and you can actually link these to work together. I'm going to press and hold the A button, and now you can see we have the main and then the sub VFO. Now on this side, you can still see I'm in DV mode, and that's for the digital voice operations. But today we're going to do a crossband repeat. We're going to take this low power 5-watt handheld radio. We're going to come in on the sub VFO side, and in a simplex operation, no repeater here, just one single frequency. So everything heard on this side of the radio is going to get retransmitted out on this side of the radio. So first thing we're going to do is take this out of digital mode. We'll hit the DR button. Now we're in analog mode. It says up here main. So if I were to hit the push to talk button, I would hit that local repeater. And we're going to come into the menu, into others. Now this is page 3 of 3, so you may have to use the arrow keys. Come down to others and repeater mode again. And we're going to enter repeater mode operation. We're going to hit yes. So now every time I transmit on this handheld radio, it's going to get received on the subband and retransmitted over here to the main side of the radio, and this is going to allow us to leverage the 50 watts of power from the mobile radio to the benefit of the handheld radio. So if we're responding to a specific location where there's no repeater in place or we have limited coverage, we could strategically place this vehicle at a good location that any first responders operating in that area of operation, or AO, can leverage the extra power of the crossband repeater in the vehicle. So we'll go ahead and make a call now that we have it set up. CQ from K1DOS. Anybody copy the station? KK4YKY, I believe the call sign was. This is K1DOS. Name here is Hank. I spell Hotel Alpha November Kilo. And we're doing a demonstration on crossband repeat with an ICOM ID5100 Alpha D-Star mobile radio in Chantilly, Virginia.
Airport. Copy, loud and clear.
I don't know what that is.
Well, sir, I appreciate you taking the time to come back to my call and allow me to demonstrate how crossband repeat works. You have a great afternoon. Best 73s. Negative. This is analog only, no D-Star. UHF into the mobile and then out VHF to the repeater.
Copy that. Well, congratulations. Sounds real good. KK4YJJ, clear and listening.
73, sir. So we'll turn the volume down. So that's how crossband repeat works. Again, we use the 5-watt handheld to come in on the sub VFO. With the repeat function flashing here, we're able to bring that audio over and then retransmit out at 50 watts on a VHF repeater here in the Northern Virginia area. And I'll leave it up to SkinnyMedic. I'll leave it up to SkinnyMedic to wrap up this video with his closing line.
Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.